after a long research through internet and reading a lot of reviews. So it was not only Inventateq, I read a lot of reviews about other institutes as well, and at last I came into a decision of joining here. And I think that would be the good decision that I have made so far. Regarding the price, regarding the environment, regarding the trainer, and regarding the institute as well. So I have all good reviews so far.
Joined Inventateq training center. So I joined here for automation testing. I am already working for manual testing in a company, and I felt automation testing is a very need for me in my workplace. So I joined automation testing here. I'm not from a CS or an IT background, so they started from the scratch. Like, they taught me core Java. It has been 1.5 months or 2 here since I joined, and it's very nice about the institution as well as the trainer. So institution is very good with regarding to the courses and its pricing. They are all reasonable. So I think it's a good choice if you want a cost-effective training center. I came here looking into all the reviews in Google. So everyone had recommended this, and of course they are not a lie or something. It's very true that it's very good here.
I joined Inventateq 2 months back. The first time I came here, I met Prasanna sir, and he offered me a demo class. And the way he explained it was phenomenal, because I was able to understand every concept, and that was very helpful, and that was the impression he gave me. And the next day I joined. I think that's the best thing.
I'm doing software testing course in Inventateq. I have got a very good knowledge in software testing with the help of Prasanna sir.
And I work with an IT service company, so I wanted to change my domain, and that's the main reason I took this course for testing, software testing. So the manual testing approach, what he has done initially, me being from a different background, it's really easy to follow up. And along with that, after gaining confidence, I joined for software testing as well. So in software testing, I think I was skeptical about Java. That was the last thing in the world I think I would have learned. But Prasanna has made it all easy for me, I think. The way he taught, the way he approached, I mean, even through the way he teaches the programs as well.
The person doesn't understand, he teaches it again and again. Sometimes we ask him many a times, and he's very patient enough to teach us again and again. And he makes sure that whatever is taught is clearly understandable. So that's very nice from his part.
Software testing has been I have understood a lot of things right now. So the best part is I have already got 2 job opportunities, one in Capgemini and one in Mindtree. And I'm really impressed, because I didn't know I had this much potential, and just because of Prasanna sir, I was able to get this opportunity. And yeah.
I got placed as tested automation engineer in Accenture with a package of 4 lakhs. So after joining this course in Inventateq Marathali, I got that opportunity to explore myself and get drift into the IT industry. So all thanks to the whole of the Inventateq team, and especially to the trainer, Mr. Satya. Projects and the concepts which he taught me were very useful and helped in cracking me the interview.
Want a cost-effective and a good teaching and an easy way, like in a practical way, then I think Inventateq is actually good and recommendable.
I recommend everyone to join in Inventateq and grow your career.
I would definitely recommend, and of course this decision will definitely give you a change, and they're genuinely good.
I would recommend a lot of people to join Inventateq, because I think they have great trainers, and one thing I can assure you is that they will definitely get the best jobs they can imagine.
So as I got placed in one go itself by joining in Inventateq Marathali, so I recommend all of the freshers and the ones who want to much more explore in the IT field to come and join in here in Inventateq Marathali.